Welcome to this exploration of nuclear fusion, one of the most powerful processes in the universe. Nuclear fusion is the process of combining atoms to create energy. This is the same process that powers the sun and all the stars in the night sky. Understanding fusion helps us appreciate how energy is generated on a cosmic scale and opens doors to potential clean energy solutions for our future. Nuclear fusion is the process where two light nuclei combine to form a heavier nucleus, releasing tremendous amounts of energy in the process. Think of it like pushing two small balls together so tightly that they merge into one larger ball. When light atomic nuclei, such as hydrogen, are forced together under extreme conditions, they overcome the natural repulsion between positively charged particles and fuse into a heavier element. During this fusion, a tiny amount of mass is converted into an enormous amount of energy. For fusion to occur, two critical conditions must be met. First, we need extreme heat with temperatures reaching millions of degrees. At these incredibly high temperatures, atoms move so fast that they can overcome the electrical repulsion between their positively charged nuclei. Second, we need high pressure to force nuclei close enough together. Under normal conditions, atomic nuclei naturally repel each other because they all carry positive charges. The combination of extreme heat and pressure allows nuclei to get close enough for the strong nuclear force to take over and bind them together. The most common and efficient fusion reaction involves deuterium and tritium, which are both isotopes of hydrogen. The reaction can be written as deuterium plus tritium, yielding helium-4 plus a neutron plus energy. In this reaction, a deuterium nucleus, which contains one proton and one neutron, combines with a tritium nucleus, which has one proton and two neutrons. Together, they produce a helium nucleus with two protons and two neutrons, release a free neutron, and generate massive amounts of energy. This deuterium-tritium fusion is the reaction scientists focus on for potential fusion power plants, because it releases more energy than other fusion reactions at achievable temperatures. The energy released during fusion comes from Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared, which describes the relationship between mass and energy. During a fusion reaction, the total mass of the products is slightly less than the total mass of the original nuclei. This missing mass, called the mass defect, has been converted into energy. Even though the amount of mass lost is extremely small, when multiplied by the speed of light squared, it produces an enormous amount of energy. This is why fusion reactions are so powerful, and why stars can shine for billions of years. Fusion is not just a laboratory curiosity, it's the process that creates elements in stars through stellar nucleosynthesis. In stars like our Sun, the proton-proton chain is the main fusion process, where hydrogen nuclei combine to eventually form helium. In more massive stars, the carbon-nitrogen-oxygen cycle, or CNO cycle, becomes the dominant fusion mechanism. As stars age and their cores heat up, fusion continues to create progressively heavier elements, from helium to carbon, oxygen, and beyond, up to iron. All the elements essential for life were forged in the hearts of stars through nuclear fusion. If we can harness fusion for power generation on Earth, it offers remarkable advantages. First, fusion is clean energy. Unlike fossil fuels, fusion produces no greenhouse gases, and unlike fission reactors, it generates no long-lived radioactive waste. The primary waste product is helium, which is completely harmless. Second, fusion fuel is abundant. Deuterium, one of the main fusion fuels, can be extracted from ordinary seawater and is virtually limitless. A single bathtub of water contains enough deuterium to provide the energy equivalent of hundreds of gallons of gasoline through fusion reactions. To summarize, nuclear fusion powers the sun and stars, creating elements and energy that make life possible by merging light nuclei into heavier ones. This fundamental process has been shaping the universe since the first stars formed billions of years ago. Every atom of carbon in our bodies, every breath of oxygen we take, was created through fusion in ancient stars. While we continue to work toward achieving practical fusion energy on Earth, The process itself remains one of nature's most elegant and powerful phenomena, demonstrating how the smallest building blocks of matter can unleash the greatest forces in the cosmos.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.